cause of our ancestors and of our land. You've never put me to shame. This is your battle and not mine. I am just your messenger. In the name of the cause of our land and our ancestors, I command you to appear! Hey, Nikao! No, you turn up. Eh, Papa, you know that I got you. What can you do? Eh, this is a new mock. Eh, you know, man, no fucking jar. Ada Cameroon. It's done what? Oh, where me tell me come on. Hey, Nikao! Hey, Nikao! Hey, Nikao!
My elders, I greet you all.
You
are welcome. I invited you here so that we look into the issue of the coming festival and know how to go about it.
Yes, sir.
Your Highness, you will live longer. You see, for 25 good years you've been on this throne as our Yonogia. You performed very well. I can say that the gods have been with you because there is no bad news anywhere.
At all.
No evil has befell this community for the first time. And now, we will celebrate our New Year festival in a grand style and also celebrate you, our leader. Yes,
sir.
I think I will support every measure that will make this year's New Year festival a unique one. Yes, I will support it. My elders, I hope I've spoken your mind.
Yes, you have spoken well.
My elders, I would like to suggest at the junction that before now, our New Yam festival is always celebrated for 3 days. But to make it more unique for what we have seen in you in leadership of this kingdom, I would like it to be for 5 days. The one I will say.
Support us,
we also like to suggest, don't you think it would be better to invite the Ekpo dancers from Urepoki, that of Iguadolo, Okada and Obese, and to even see the best dancer, the best group will be awarded.
Of course. Well thought of you. And I will suggest that our leader, our noble leader, our Inogie, will go ahead and invite the government functionaries, from governor to anyone he wants to invite by himself. Because already he is a member of the State Council of Traditional Rulers. Eh?
Thank you very much. You have spoken well, all of you. What we have to do is to schedule another meeting where we will set up a committee to plan all this. When next week we'll do that.
You know
I think
after my game.
Ekoi! Ekoi! Ekoi!
Hey, Mama.
Hey, Mama, you're calling me.
Ekoi, where have you been? I've been calling you since.
Mama, I was in the toilet.
Eh? Toilet?
Yes, yeah.
What is wrong with this?
Mama, I was hearing you now, but I will not leave what I'm doing and start rushing down now.
Can't get your cutlass. Let's go to the farm. Farm?
Ha. Mama, this farm. I'm tired. I'm tired.
You are tired. Look at your mouth. Look at the way you're sounding. Where do you think you get the food that you eat from? If not from the farm? Eh? Hey, Ekoi! Listen, let me tell you.
Mama.
This is where life has taken us to. Eh? So go and get your cutlass and let's go. You don't worry. One fine day, it will be over. Soon.
When?
Soon.
Yeah, when?
Soon. Let's begin to pray.
It's okay. Let's just go to this one. But I hope we'll come back on time.
Don't worry. As soon as the sun starts setting, we'll come back. Go and get your cutlass.
Where's my...
Go and get your cutlass.
Una wese etugaba evota o yewo orukunu zabene.
Ekoi.
Yeah.
That is how it all happened. That is how it all happened. Hey! So I took up the responsibility of taking care of you. Because you see all those your uncles with their eyes like this, their wide eyes like this. Eh? You even look like one of them.
Me? Mama? How can you say I'm looking like my uncles now? Are they the one that gave birth to me?
Okay, don't worry.
Oh.
None of them cared. None of them. Ekoi.
Yeah.
I want to ask you for something.
What is it, Mama? I'm all ears. Talk to me now, Mama.
Ekoi. You know, you're my only son. I know I'm another child again.
Mama, see, you know, whenever you're talking and you now change your tone like this, it's always somehow. Yeah, I hope you know. So let's
Let me
just
brace up.
But
Now listen. You see those bad boys in this community? Eh?
Yes,
I
Mama.
want you to run away from them. Whenever you see them, take off and run. Don't get close to any of them at all. We don't have anybody to take care of us.
Mama.
We don't have anybody to fight for us.
Mama.
Eh?
Okay. Yes. Don't worry. You know I am your son.
Yes.
And I am going to do exactly as you have said. I am going to follow your word to the last. And I am not going to disappoint you. Mommy.
My God will always bless and protect you.
He say, and may the gods keep you too. May you live long and long and long.
Okay, I'm not dying now. I will lift you 100
You will
years.
live, Mama. Mama, let me go and cook that your soup for you. Soup that I used to like.
Hey!
Let me go and cook it for you.
Fast.
Mama.
Fast, my son. Hey! May the gods of our land bless you. Be fast, oh.
Did you see that boy? What about him?
There is nothing good about him.
How, if I may ask?
Can't you see? Are you the only person in this village doesn't know him?
Oh, it's okay. Stop pulling my legs. Just say what you want to say.
I'm not pulling your legs. Can't you see that everything he does look exactly like a woman? He cooks, he even sweeps. He does everything a woman ought to do.
It's okay. What's wrong with you?
There is nothing wrong with me. Because I don't like those type of men. They irritate me.
It's okay. Act according to your name. Copy good behavior.
Look at your mouth. Come on, let's go.
That's your business. Hey, hoy! Hey, hoy! Hey, hoy!
Sorry, I'm sorry, okay? How long have you been calling me?
I've been here over 5 minutes now. Tell me, what are you thinking?
Thinking? Nothing. Nothing, I'm fine. I'm perfectly okay.
I'm not sure you're fine.
I said I am fine. I'm okay. Okay, tell me, what can I do for you? Besides, if it is my mother you're looking for, she's not around. So you just go, okay?
That's not the problem. You are not okay to me. I can be of help.
Look, I said I am okay. I am very, very okay. If it is my mother you're looking for, she's not around. So you just go.
I am going nowhere until you tell me what's wrong with you.
And I said I am fine. Don't you get it? I'm okay. Just go. Just leave me alone.
Hey, Oi, I insist. I go nowhere until you tell me what's wrong with you.
Okay, look. I am going to tell you, okay? But certainly not today. Not now.
I insist you tell me what's wrong with you.
Okay, you know what? Come and sit down. Sit down. Listen.
Yeah. This is when you are excited. What is it?
Okay, I got the man I've been falling for.
Really? I'm so happy for you, girl. So Tell me, who is this lucky man?
The man we met on our way coming back from the stream.
Wait. Don't tell me you're talking about Ehwe Magbe. Don't just go there.
Yes, my dear friend. I like him
You like who? That good for nothing irritated boy that has nothing good to write about. Are you okay? Sorry to say this, you're an idiot. What did you see in him?
Hey, it's okay. The next time you use such words on my man, I will teach you a lesson, idiot.
You call that thing a man? That thing a man? That is not a man. That is a woman. A weak one as that. It's high time you wake up from your sleep before you find yourself in mess. Do not say I didn't warn you.
I don't blame her. She's only jealous of me.
Where is this young man? Hey, Kai!
Yeah. Mama.
Be fast, I'm getting late already. Come.
Okay, Mama, I'm coming. Mama, I'm here.
I've always told you to be tying rope in this thing. One day it will fall.
Tie it! Mama, what is it now? My thing will not fall. The trouser can fall, but my thing will not fall, eh? I was actually at the backyard cutting those small firewood that we used to set the fire.
And you left this thing?
The fire.
Let me help you to tie it now.
Mama, leave it now. Tie it now. Must you do this thing every time?
Okay.
Just leave it. I will go back and tie it.
Okay, I'm going out. Make sure you prepare the food before I come back.
As for that one, no problem. I will. Trust me now.
I use rope to tie this thing before you prepare the food. Now when you're preparing the food and this thing is
Mama,
falling,
the thing will not fall. It's the trouser, not the thing. I'll cook the food. Hey! Onyiwe.
Yes.
How are you?
Wow, what are you doing?
What is it?
A man cooking.
My sister, what am I to do? You see, since my mother has no female child, I have to do the whole house chores by myself, okay? Or do you have a problem with a man cooking?
No. I like men doing house chores.
That's good. So tell me,
how is your mother?
My mother, she actually went out. She went out. And your parents?
They are all fine. I miss you.
And I miss you too. I miss you so much, okay?
Hey.
So tell me, what are you cooking?
I am actually preparing yam and beans.
Okay.
I hope you like it.
Yes, I like it.
Okay.
So what have you put inside?
Well, I have actually, I have the yam and the beans inside the pot, and you're just going to put the oil, pepper. Thank God you're here now, so you have to complete the rest of the cooking.
Okay.
You need to put the pepper, the salt, and every other thing, okay? Hey, Mama. Do you know why I called you? There's something I want to tell you. That is why I called you out here. It's not something big, but something very, very important. Yes, Mama.
Talk to me.
Mama, calm down.
What is that?
Mama, calm down. Now, why are you so serious about it?
You said it's important. Will I be laughing? I'm waiting for you to talk.
But Mama, the way you're looking so eager to hear what I want to say.
Okay.
That's Mama, see him. Hey, Mama.
Hey, go ahead.
Yeah. Mama, see, Hey. Mama, I know. I have a female friend, Mama.
Come.
Mama.
You have a female friend?
Yes, yeah.
Where is she from?
Mama, she's from this village, oh.
Eh?
Yes, Mama.
Whose daughter is she?
She's Chief Orobosa's daughter.
Oh. Eko,
Yeah.
when are we going to see our parents?
Hey, Mama. Mama, you're fast forwarding. You want to make it fast. Calm down. We'll go, but not now. Mama.
You have started. You have started.
No.
When are we going to see our parents?
Mama, we'll go, but certainly not now.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Hey! I can start giving you grandchildren on time. So that you carry on my grandchildren, you waft them, feed them.
Yeah. The whole of my stomach is just turning. It's turning. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Mama.
Hey! Hey! My son.
Yes, Mama.
God will bless you.
Ise.
Hey, God.
Mama.
Hey, how did you manage to come with this? Who gave you this?
Mama. It is food.
Food?
Yes.
From where? Hey, God, when we were coming to the farm, you did not carry food. Where did this one come from?
Mama, you know that I told you that I now have a female friend, right? Mama, I told her we are coming to the farm, and she decided to prepare food for us. Bring it to us so that when we are tired, we will now eat it.
Really? Just hold it. You go and keep it, You help me to remove this stone. When we finish, we eat it.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Hey! Hey! You have started.
Mama, let's just sit down and eat first, then we can continue this thing later.
Thank you, plate of the food. Let's finish this.
But if we eat, I've heard you. You will not look me with that kind of eye again. Be doing, let me drop the food. Family. Don't know somebody who eats. I've dropped it now.
You can't carry that stone.
Yes, Mama.
Oh, how are you?
Fine, ma.
Because
Hey, my dear, how are you?
a nice smile.
How is your husband, my son's uncle?
He's fine.
And your stepson?
He's doing well.
Tell me well today.
Auntie, what about Ige?
Hey, he's fine.
Mama?
Stay away from them.
Do you know that I called you out here so we could discuss something important?
What is it?
Onyeme, do you know I love you? Do you know I love you so much? You see, yesterday I was discussing with my mother and we actually thought of coming to see your people so that I can just marry you.
How?
You see, come. I want to marry you. I want you to be my wife. I want us to raise a family together. Onyeme, please. Please marry me. Please. Will you be my wife?
Yes. Yes. I will marry you.
You marry me?
Yes.
Onyeme, you come here. I am so happy.
I'm happy too.
Do you know my mother will be happy to hear this? You will marry me and stay with me, right? Yes. My mother will be happy. Hey, Mel.
Have you all heard, my sisters?
Heard about what? You have come again. You will just will not kill you one day, oh. Because there is nothing that happens in this that doesn't come out from your mouth. So what is this time?
Wait. Are you all trying to say that I'm the only one that has been hearing what is going on in this village?
Please, Enye, go straight to the point and tell us what is happening instead of beating around the bush.
Okay, I will tell you. My friend, our friend that we all know, Ohiwe, she's getting married.
Wait. You mean my friend?
Our friend, yes, of course.
Oyime is getting married. She didn't bother to inform me. And who, if I may ask?
So Ekoye, of course.
Awa! What nonsense! So you mean she still wants to get married to that thing after all my advice? This girl disgraces me. It's okay. Don't tell me you are jealous. Jealous of who? He's not even handsome.
My dear, let me tell you something. If I were you, do you know what I would do? I would just look for a man to get married to. Instead of me to start blabbering, I would just look for a man. Even if he's an imbecile, I would just look for a way to be under a man's roof. Okay, maybe you want to wait till you get old in your father's house. Nonsense.
Why Kodo Weji? Eko Wadaji. It's not yet your time, so just move one side. And as for you, are you forbidden to get married? What happens to your own time? Or can't you get married now? Huh? Can't you get married now? And let me shock you. Let me shock you. The next time you insult me again, the next time, I will beat you very, very well. Let me tell you all.
You will beat me.
My man will come.
Okay.
Okay. Now hurry. Then you will know that hi, it's okay. Man has arrived. Then you will be very surprised. My own man will be far better than that thing that you call a man. He's not even a man. A woman is more better than him. And let me shock all of you. I will get married very soon. I will never get old in my father's house.
This one. Wait. What's wrong with her? My dear, has she gone nuts? If you ask me, who will I ask?
I say, I won't have to call myself, but I tell you,
Because of our land, where have I landed myself into? Because of pride. Just imagine my friend. The girl I'm older than with 4 years. Oh, she's getting married in 4 days' time. You can imagine. Very intelligent, handsome, and hardworking. If not that he's going to get married to my friend, I'll be the one to end up with him. I'm not that stupid girl. I'm the one I've been moving around with. All they know is to sleep with you and leave you. They have nothing good to offer. Am I not beautiful enough to be in a man's house? I know I'm hardworking. I'm good. What do I do now? I think she's right. I need a man to call my own, even if he's an imbecile. No, that won't be possible. I can't end up with an imbecile. Not after my... No, I'm too good for that. I can't. My man will come, I know. My own man will come.
Oye, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Come and sit down. My daughter. Please, I beg you, as you are going to your husband's house now, please, don't disgrace me. Don't disgrace me, my daughter. Remember your name. Think of all what I'll be teaching you to live your life. Remember your name. Your name is Unyime. Unyime Maori, your mama. Remember, your husband came from a very good family. Please, don't disgrace me, my daughter. I know as you are going there, my God will go with you.
Okay, Mama. Thanks for the advice. I'll make you and Papa proud.
Thank you, my daughter.
Thank you.
Go. I want to prepare something for us.
Okay, Mama.
Eko.
Mama.
Eko.
Mama.
What's inside your pocket?
Mama, nothing.
Eko, I bring the pocket.
See, look at it. Nothing.
Okay, put it back.
Mama. Hey, Mama, that's not even the issue. Mama, see, you know, tomorrow we'll be going to see these people. I want to know if everything that we need to go with is set.
Everything is set. Everything is okay. Complete.
You sure?
I'm very sure.
Okay. Mama. The palm wine, the money, and the other small things that we need to go with to see the elders tomorrow. I hope there's no problem.
Hey, Koi, Mama, let your mind cool down. I have arranged everything that tradition demands. Everything is complete. I am your mother.
I hope there's no problem at
There's
all.
no single problem.
Okay. Mama, that reminds me. You know, see, that's...
Hey, guy.
Yeah.
Daughter, sit down. Continue.
Okay. Mama, say, you know that tomorrow is the D-Day. And you know, I am not used to this process. I have not done it before. That is why I am so inquisitive. I want to know. So I don't want anything to go wrong.
Nothing will go wrong.
I have not gotten through this process before. So since it's my first time, I want everything to be okay.
Everything is going to be okay. I will lead you through all the process. I'm by you. I'm standing by you. You are my son. Have you forgotten? I am your mother.
That is why
I am your mother.
That's why I love you.
Hey, guy.
Mama.
I am your mother.
Hey. Mama. Yeah. I thank the gods for giving me a mother like you.
I also thank the gods for giving me a son like you.
So I am going to be married.
A man, a complete man. With big shoulders like that of your father.
Hey.
Yes.
Mama.
Hey, guy.
Mama, you are making my head to big.
Come here. Come here. Sit down. Sit down.
Okay.
Don't move anyhow. I hope this marriage is not trying to
no,
put you into...
Uko, my prince. I have a running stomach. I need to use the toilet. I need to use myself like right now. My prince, you are royal. You need not to be seen doing such. I know, but in this situation, I can't help it. You see what I'm talking? Are you mad? Don't you know my mess is royal? You better behave yourself.
Hey! My prince! My prince! My prince! My prince! My prince! What? Prince? Stay! Somebody else! Prince! Prince! Where's the prince? Where's the prince? Snake! What's going on? What do we do now? I don't know. What do we do now? Okay. What do we do now? Okay, here. Just hold on. I'm coming.